Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new 4th generation Skoda Octavia, which is all set to be launched this month. Skoda India has now confirmed that the new 4th generation Octavia will be launched on the 10th of June, which is just a few days away. And before the official launch, the all-new Octavia has also been spotted at a dealership. And here's all the details about the India spec Octavia. The 2021 Skoda Octavia is one among the most anticipated launches in India. The first thing obviously is design. The new Skoda Octavia is clearly different in terms of styling when you compare with the current generation model, while also being 19 mm longer and 15 mm wider than the current generation model. The new Skoda Octavia features a refreshed design language similar to other latest Skoda models, lending it a more modern and sleeker appearance. The new model gets a single-piece LED headlight design replacing the old model's split headlamp setup, and while the new model also features the very same butterfly grille design, the grille itself is wider, connecting the headlamps with each other. On the sides, just like before, the Skoda Octavia features a well-proportioned silhouette along with a strong shoulder line and the signature tapering roofline that extends in the fastback style boot. Maintaining the family design theme, the new Octavia also gets different design striking LED tail lights with bold Skoda lettering on the tailgate. Coming to the interior as well, the new 2021 Skoda Octavia is significantly updated, featuring high-quality soft-touch materials and more features when compared to the current generation model. The design layout is minimalistic yet very premium to look at, and the dashboard is dominated by a large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system along with the 10.25-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster. Just like the Skoda Superb, the Octavia also features multicolor ambient mode lighting, connected car tech, wireless smartphone charging, and Skoda's digital assistant Laura. Just like the current generation Indian spec model, the new generation Skoda Octavia will also feature a dual-tone black and beige interior color theme, reserving the all-black cabin for the RS model. And just like the model it replaces, the 2021 Skoda Octavia will also feature ventilated front seats and power-adjustable driver and co-passenger seats. When launched on the 10th of June this month, the new generation 2021 Skoda Octavia will come with one single petrol engine option, which will be a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged TSI petrol engine producing 190 PS of maximum power, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This engine and gearbox combo we have already seen on the Skoda Superb and will essentially replace the 1.8-liter and 1.4-liter TSI engines. As we already know, Skoda and Volkswagen have decided on not bringing any diesel engine models to India since 2020. The new generation 2021 Skoda Octavia will be launched within the price bracket of Rs 18 to 24 lakh ex-showroom and will compete against its only rival, the Hyundai Elantra. Now that the Honda Civic and the Toyota Corolla Altis have been discontinued and Volkswagen not having plans to bring in the Volkswagen Jetta, the Hyundai Elantra is the only competitor for the new Skoda Octavia. Stay tuned for our detailed updates on the new generation Skoda Octavia. Meanwhile, this is UV Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.